Hello everyone. Did you ever get these messages on your phone and wonder how does the bank decide how much and to whom should they be lending money? How should people be deciding on which horse should they be betting money in a derby race? Should they be looking at the physique of the horse, the past performance of the horse, or the ancestry of the horse, or something else? Did you ever wonder why the dispensing holes of detergent bottles have become broader over time? Surprise, surprise. I am Kuljit, an associate professor at IISER-Mohali. I am offering a course on data science that will hold answers to these as well as many such questions. This is a 4 credit course. You do not need any specific prerequisite other than the basic inclination and interest in data science. I do, of course, expect some basic knowledge of computers, like how to install certain softwares and how to use them. The prime objectives of the course is to expose you to the core ideas, the concepts, and the methods of data science. I will empower you to apply the data-driven approaches to the real-world problems of your interest. The course would also cultivate the critical thinking, the logical reasoning, and hands-on skill to advance your career further. The syllabus is divided into 5 parts spanning over 15 weeks. In the first part, I will introduce the popular data formats, the platforms to compress and store the data, and of course, the basic premises of data science. In the second part, we will move on to the exploratory data analysis. You will learn about data cleansing, handling the missing values, scaling and normalizing the data, assessing the data distributions, the correlation among variables, etc. etc. Part 3 will deal with the redundancy of the data. How do we remove the collinearity of the data, reduce the dimensions, and cluster the data at the same time. You will learn 2 kinds of methods here, the deterministic and linear methods like principal component analysis, singular value decomposition, and the linear discriminant analysis, and the non-deterministic methods like t-SNE and the other clustering methods. In the part 4, we will learn the basic machine learning, where I'll introduce you the concepts of perceptron learning algorithm, neural networks, support vector machines, the naive Bayes classifier, the decision trees, the random forest, and the XGBoost methods of machine learning. The last but not the least is the networks. The networks are everywhere. Nothing happens in isolation. I'll teach you the organizing principles of complex networks, the popular models of complex networks, the attributes and the dynamics of the networks in sufficient details. The course will also have a few interesting projects like data collection using web scraping, developing an end-to-end recommendation system, developing a prediction algorithm for image recognition, as well as fraud detection. So these projects together will carry 30 marks, while the end-sem exam will carry 70 marks. So this was all from my side. Many thanks for watching the video, and I look forward for your participation in the course. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.